In our fast-paced world, happiness can feel elusive. We are constantly bombarded with distractions. Our minds race with worries about the past and anxieties about the future. This constant state of mental activity can leave us feeling stressed and unfulfilled. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of external achievements, thinking they hold the key to lasting happiness. We chase after material possessions, social status, and fleeting pleasures. However, true happiness cannot be found in external circumstances alone. Many of us live with a sense of if only. If only we had a better job, a bigger house, or a more fulfilling relationship, then we would finally be happy. This constant striving for something more keeps us trapped in a cycle of desire and dissatisfaction. We miss out on the beauty and joy of the present moment. We fail to appreciate the simple things that make life worth living. The truth is, happiness is an inside job. It is not something that we can acquire or achieve in the future. It is a state of being that is available to us right now, in this very moment, if we only learn to quiet our minds and tune into the present. The key to unlocking happiness lies in shifting our focus from external pursuits to our inner experience. By cultivating mindfulness, gratitude, and acceptance, we can find peace and contentment in the midst of life's inevitable ups and downs. This essay will explore practical tips for cultivating present moment awareness and experiencing the joy that resides within each of us. The present moment is all we ever have. The past is gone and the future is uncertain. Yet, we often spend our precious time dwelling on past regrets or worrying about future possibilities. This mental habit robs us of the joy and peace that can only be found in the here and now. When we learn to bring our attention to the present moment, we step out of the cycle of worry and discontent. We become fully present to our experience without judgment or resistance. In this state of presence, we are able to appreciate the simple pleasures that surround us. The taste of our food, the warmth of the sun on our skin, the sound of laughter. These everyday experiences become sources of joy when we approach them with mindful awareness. Being present is not about emptying our minds of all thoughts. It's about gently acknowledging our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. Imagine your mind like the sky and your thoughts like clouds passing by. We observe the clouds without judgment, allowing them to come and go without attachment. Similarly, we can observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in their stories. As we practice present moment awareness, we begin to cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. We develop a greater capacity to handle life's challenges with grace and resilience. The present moment becomes a refuge from the storms of life, a place where we can find solace and renewal. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about becoming aware of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment with a sense of curiosity and openness. Mindfulness is not about achieving a state of blankness or eliminating thoughts. It's about learning to observe our inner experience with acceptance and kindness. One of the simplest ways to cultivate mindfulness is through the breath. Throughout the day, take a few moments to pause and notice your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. As you focus on your breath, you may notice thoughts arising in your mind. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. You can practice mindfulness while engaging in everyday activities. When you're eating, pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. When you're walking, notice the sensations of your feet on the ground and the scenery around you. By bringing mindfulness to routine activities, we can transform them into opportunities for presence and appreciation. As you incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, you'll likely find that your mind wanders less. You'll become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and you'll be better equipped to manage stress and navigate difficult situations. With regular practice, mindfulness can help you experience greater peace, joy, and fulfillment in your life.